Welcome to Vikas Mission Navodaya 2023 Vikas Coaching Classes. Date 6/8/2022. These 10 questions question bank will help you in many competitive exams like Navodaya, Sainik, Murarji and other competitive exams. So join us, success is yours. VCC question bank question number 511. The question is 16.83 into 10. Here, when we are multiplying two decimals, that is 16.83 and 10, we have to note that the decimal point or decimal will shift to its right side. That is, when 10 is there, then the shifting of decimal will take place to the right by one place. That is, it will be shifted to this side. That would be 168.3. Dear students, once again listen carefully. 116. Dear students, listen carefully once more. 16.83 into 10 means when we are multiplying these two decimals, as there is 10, the decimal point will be shifting to its right by one place. That would be 168.3. Here 168.3 means option B, 168.3 is the right answer. VCC question bank. Dear students, if you have not subscribed to our channel, first subscribe to our channel, like it and share in your parents WhatsApp group. And you can inform to your friends about this question bank as they can also get help from this. Now let us see the question, that is 512th question. The question is 0.05 into 1000. Here we have to note that when we are multiplying a decimal by 10, 100 or 1000, then we are shifting the point to its right side, that is this side. So here students, as there are three zeros, here you can see 10, 20, 3 zeros. As there are three zeros, we have to shift the point 3 digits after it in right side. That would be 0, 0, 5, 0. That would, it would come 1 digit, 2 digit, and as there is no digit here, we are keeping 0 and the fourth digit will be point. That is, it would become 50.0. That would be 50. 50 means students, here the right option is 50. That is, C option is the right answer. VCC question bank question number 513. The question is 13.6 divide 10. Here the question is 13.6 divide 10. As we know that divide means by, here it would become 13.6 by 10. Here by 10 means we are shifting the point towards its left side, that is this side. Because when I had already told, when the division is there, we have to shift the decimal point to its left side, and if it is there in into, then you have to shift to right side. Here students, as there is 10, we have to shift decimal point to left side by one place or one digit. Here, as we know that it would be shifted to left side, that is by one place. That would be 1.36. 1.36 means option B, 1.36 is the right answer. That is option B. Dear students, on the occasion of 75th Independence Day, that is Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, we are bringing 75 questions on this day. That is, these 75 questions will be from the previous year question papers of Navodaya. Those previous year question papers are 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022. From these four previous year question papers of Navodaya, we are bringing 75 questions. Dear students, so you must watch these year paper solutions of Navodaya and you can inform to your friends, as this is very important in the Navodaya examination, because these are previous year questions of Navodaya. So don't miss on that day, watch it completely and write down in your 200 pages notebook. VCC question bank question number 514. The question is 216.4 divide 100. Here students, when we are dividing a decimal by 100, we have to first take it as by, that is 216.4 by 100, as divide means by. As I had already told, when we are dividing a decimal by 10 or 100 or 1000, we have to shift the decimal point to left place. As there are two digits here students, we have to shift the decimal point to the left side, that is this side, by two places. That would be one place, two place. Then the right option would be 2.164. Here once more students, listen carefully. When we are dividing by 100, we have to shift the decimal point to left side, that is this side. When here as two zeros are there, we are shifting this decimal point to left side, that is this side. So here the right option would be 2.164, means option B, 2.164 is the right answer, that is option B. VCC question bank question number 515. Dear students, these are English grammar questions and they have been asked in Sainik school, Navodaya and other competitive exams. It is also asked in R.M.S exam. So listen carefully. Dash Chinese language is difficult. Here the right option would be option A, that is the Chinese language is difficult. VCC question bank question number 516. It is also English grammar question. We must help dash poor. Here the right option would be option C, the. Here that would be we must help the poor. VCC question bank question number 517. Dear students, these type of questions are IQ questions or math questions. These are asked in Sainik school R.M.S examination, and this question is very important question. So listen carefully. The question is find odd one out. Here 3 would be similar, that is 3 option would be similar and 1 option would be odd or different from these 3. So we have to find that option. The question is ZW, that is A option, B option is TQ, C option is SP, D option is NL. Students, listen here carefully. Here ZW. In this chart, you can see that where is Z? Z is here. And where is W? W is here. You can see clearly that there is a difference of two letters in between Z and W, that is X and Y. These two are in between Z and W, means Z and W is having two letters in between them. Next, TQ. Here students, listen here. TQ means T and Q. Here also there are two letters in between T and Q, that is S and R. Now next option is SP. Students, here SP means S and P. In between them there is also two letters. But see here carefully, NL. NL is having only one letter in between them, that is M. So here in A option there is two letters in between Z and W. In B option there are two letters in between T and Q. In C option there are two letters in between S and P. But in D option there is only one or single letter in between N and L. So hence we know that these three are similar, but this D option is different. Then the right option would be option D, NL is the right answer. VCC question bank question number 518. These type of IQ questions are very important and tricky, so listen carefully. Here they are asking to find odd one out. The first option is option A, that is CFD. Here in CFD they are taking C and they are adding two letters, that is DE. They are taking two forward letters, then we get the result as F. When we subtract in F one letter, or if we move back by one letter, then we get the next letter, that is D. First C plus 2, that is F, minus 1 D. In similar way, G, J, H. Here G is there, then we have to add 2 to it, then we get the result as J, then we have to subtract 1 from it, then we get the result as H, that is H. It is also in the series of plus 2 then minus 1. Next, JMK. Here JMK, see here students, J is here and M is here. They are adding 2 to this J, means they are taking forward by 2 letters, then we get the result as M. Then they are subtracting 1 letter, which is they are taking back by 1 letter, then we get the result as K, that is minus 1. But here students, KNM, here KNM means they are taking first 2 letters forward, that is after K we get the N, by after when we take next 2 letters after K. But here you have to note that N, after N they are subtracting 1 letter, but here they are not subtracting 1 letter, they are taking after N directly M, but we have to take L. Then the right option would be option C, KNM is the right answer, that is option C. VCC question bank, question number 519. Famous singer is awarded with Bharat Ratna award in the year 2019. The famous singer was Bhupen Hazarika. The option B is the right answer. VCC question bank, question number 520. India's first national film museum opens in. It was opened in option B, Mumbai is the right answer. Here you have to note that many actors and actresses built their career in Mumbai. Students, if you have not subscribed to our channel, first subscribe to our channel, like it and share in your parents' WhatsApp group and inform to your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.